I am Augustus Mayhew, the mayor of Whoville. A standing ovation for me? Please, keep your seats. Welcome to our annual jubilation celebration. It's so wonderful to see all of you Whos, the tall and the small, from far and from near. Join in this celebration with Wholiday cheer. As you know, it is tradition to remind ourselves what Christmas is truly about. We remember the small-hearted Grinch and his great Grinchy trick, the night he stole Christmas, disguised as Saint Nick. And how our sweet Cindy Lou Who, I'm happy to say, showed us the true meaning of our beloved Christmas Day. So places, everyone, places!
Every Who down in Whoville liked Christmas a lot, but the Grinch who lived just north of Whoville did not. The Grinch slithered and slunk with a smile most unpleasant.
Okay. I can hear you. It's that guy's fault.
The Grinch slithered and slunk with a smile most unpleasant around the whole room, and he took every present. He cleaned out the icebox as quick as a flash. Why, the Grinch even took the last can of Who hash. Toys, tinsel, and trim were looted with glee. Then he stole a light bulb from the tree. And the Grinch put his hand to his ear.
Hear that? No singing, no drumming, 'cause I, the Grinch, stopped Christmas from coming!
Welcome, Christmas, come this way. Fahu, Forester, who Doris, welcome, Christmas, Christmas Day.
Booga booga!
There you are, Mr. Grinch.
Kids today.
What do you want?
To wish you a Merry Christmas. No one should be alone on Christmas.
What? Christmas still came? Even though I stole it all.
How's my hair? There you are! All right, what do we have here?
You've got me, officer.
Mayor!
Whatever. I stole your Christmas. You have me. It's true.
He admitted it! You heard him, everyone!
Oh, come on.
Now can we just get back to Christmas the way it's supposed to be? Grinchless!
Ow.
Bring me the book.
Get the book. Where's the book?
The term Grinchy shall apply when Christmas spirit is in short supply. If it's in the Book of Who, then in every way it has to be true.
But, Mr. Mayor, the book also states that no matter how different a Who appears, they will always be welcomed with Wholiday cheer.
But I stole all your Christmas. I stole all your toys.
Silly Mr. Grinch. Those are just things. Christmas is about being together.
The Grinch puzzled and puzzled till his puzzler was sore. Then the Grinch thought of something he hadn't before.
Maybe Christmas doesn't come from a store. Maybe Christmas, perhaps, means a little bit more.
Now you know the true meaning. Nothing's been missed. And now that we're all together, you deserve this.
Wait on you.
Merry Christmas, Mr. Grinch.
And what happened then? Well, in Whoville they say that the Grinch's small heart grew 3 sizes that day.
Welcome Christmas. Bring your cheer. Cheer to all Whos far and near.
Christmas Day will always be, just as long as we have we.
Welcome Christmas while we stand, heart to heart and hand in hand.
Every Who down in Whoville, the tall and the small, was singing. He hadn't stopped Christmas from coming. It came. Somehow or other, it came just the same.
Oh, I was good. Oh, that was good.
As the mayor of Whoville, I hereby decree, let us light this stupendous, magnificent tree!
Everyone count from 1 to 3.